the greatest human being to ever walk the face of this planet, the role model for the entire world, the most beloved to the heart of any believer, our prophet, our messenger, our example, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
The greatest mujahid was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest teacher was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest father was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest husband was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest mercy to humanity was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest abid to ever worship Allah Azza wa Jal was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest messenger to ever walk the earth was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest prophet to ever receive revelation was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The greatest creation that Allah ever created was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has praised him. Angels have praised him. And all of the prophets have praised him. And every single one of mankind praises him directly or indirectly. So he is praised in the heavens and in the earth and in the present nation, in this dunya and in the akhirah.
I saw a man of striking appearance, radiant face, beautifully created, proportionate and delicate, finely made, a specimen of a creation.
The Prophet ﷺ had an awe-inspiring appearance. His face was more radiant, more beautiful than the full moon on the darkest night.
Prophet ﷺ, never in his life did he ever lift his hand to hit any human being. Ever! Not a servant, not a wife, not a child. He was as gentle, he was as shy as a virgin on her wedding night, hiding behind a curtain. He was that kind of man. He was that pious. He was that shy. He was that gentle in his speech. Yet it was said that when the Prophet ﷺ was met on a battlefield, he was ferocious in defending Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned, O Muhammad ﷺ, you have been sent as a mercy to the whole world.